Hey everybody, this is Shane. We're going to show you today how to install the ShoreFire lid covers. You pick out the left or right side lid cover. This is the left. It's got the notch in it for the handle. There's Velcro under each flap. You can see where it's at here. So we're going to set the lid cover here. This is the front flap, so we know this is the Velcro that's going to stick right here. So you easily remove the backing, and this Velcro is going to just stick right inside your lid. And you're going to put it all the way around. On the next spot here, this stuff sticks pretty good. And this is a brand new bike, but if you have an older bike, you're going to want to use some alcohol, wipes or something inside to clean it so the Velcro sticks good. But we're going to just continue all the way around this inside the lid cover. Right all the way around nice and tight. Now we're to the back flap. Doing the same thing back here. This little piece here is the latch side. That one's going to go right here. And there's one in the center, a little bit longer piece. This is stuff you can do yourself, very easy. Just going to stick it around, and then this piece will go right here. So once you've got all the Velcro stuck, simply take your lid cover. We're going to pull it around and put it right on the lid here. And then we're going to start sticking it. Just stretch around like that, and we're going to close the lid just like that, and your lid cover is on your bike.